So everything is fine now. Just checked if the stream is working. So let's go and start. I wanted to give you a final update about what happened with this kind of, let's call it a short view. We finished it, and you actually can see it later in Puppenpresse, we call it, the channel on YouTube. So it's kind of finished, but let me quickly show you now the short animation, and then we go back to the political whack-a-mole. So we click here, we go down to the sequencer, select the camera. So we render two cameras. So we cut off the first part, and this is the second part. I will put the link to the video in the description later. So it's kind of smooth. I really like it. So the character is CC4 character, and the animation we did from the Rococo suit. This is the animation later, and I did some adjustments because the shoulders were way too high. They were looking up. I had to bring it down, and also the rotation. So they were like standing like this, and had to bring it a little bit forward. So this is all done in this animation part. You see CC rig layered. So if you want to have more information about this, just drop me some messages and I will look into it. Let me click it because I think this will stay all time. Get rid of it. So clear. I want to clear the chat. So this is gone, right? Cool. So okay, here's still some flagging. I moved from the laptop. My laptop was at the repair, and I would like some preferences are still missing for me. So now I forget what it was. I want some. Where is it? Where is it? Not appearance. What is it? Performance. Show frame rate and memory. I think yes, that's the one. Because I rather see what's the frame rate, which is not very high. I must admit, I turned down the GPU because otherwise the laptop will be very, very loud. You don't want that. You don't hear my voice anymore. Yes. So, okay, let's go to whack-a-mole. I will remove this from the favorites. Was it here or there? Remove from favorites. So I'm back to the test zone of whack-a-mole politician, or like original is whack-a-mole. Yeah. So I had a break more than a week looking in and programming it. Okay, why is it taking so long? I think it's the first time I changed the cache area, so he's probably saving a lot of informations from compiling a lot of shaders, and it's the first time you're opening it, will always take some time. That's when you have to change your laptop. Believe me, a lot of time is going into that. But while this is loading, I will show you. I do all my things in Milanote. So let's concentrate on the to-do for this. I have not implemented the version control yet. On the other hand, I have to do this start menu buttons. Start button is there. I have not included a quit button. Probably we will have to have a Shopify button. As this is environment, let's say I call it universe. We are working on the Puppenpress. This is the YouTube channel where you just saw. So this is all connected. I want to have animations. I want to have this game, Wake Politician. So we will have a kind of a universe. It's different funny environments. The sound hover and click is not working properly, so I checked it with the checklist. Not checklist, the check button. There is no hover, it's only button, so I have to put the button over it, which is not visible. So just I make the sound every time it clicks more or less when you pass over. The select of politicians here, but let's finish it. And yeah, there's some other things. So we did so. Don't get distracted about my ideas here. Camera shake, yellow light flare, when it's going to be hit. So this is some things I still want to add. What we can concentrate today is a local count. I want to see which politician has been hit how many times, and I hope this will be something we can finish today. What I'm not happy is game modes. Add sprung, add difficult, animation up and down. So this is still missing. This is some ideas I have how I will do the main menu. So also want to include this selection. What I'm not doing this is no multiplayer, and I will of course use assets or some things I have done already, so I will not invest more time. So the target for this Wake Up Politician is like 3 months, because there's already the next idea in the pipeline. And sadly it restart. Okay, previous potion buffer. So I have to restart the Unreal Engine in the background. I also did some GDC, game design document. So like the SAST, feeling, stylized releasing. So something, this is at the beginning you decide. I decided, and I'm sure, I don't know what's going to happen. Probably not a lot of things will be the same at the end. So let's go again. Okay, let's go to the test zone, and I hope he's finished. Okay. GPU skin cage. So we have some problems with one of the characters. Looks like there is a problem. So let's wait. I'm just wondering. I did not change since then any of the characters. It's the usual thing, you know. Let me try this one. It's probably compiling again. Yes, shaders, and then I hope I'm not. Okay, still compiling. And one of my environment is also dumping, let's say dumping, crashing. When I use the video display on this big black video wall, For what reason? For whatever reason, I have no idea. Okay, just let's start. And this is something I have to change. Takes way too many time to get these things here, but because we have not assigned anything, start. I reduced this to 20 seconds, but nothing is spawning. Looks like I screwed up a little bit. Also, the FPS is horrible. At least the end is working. Oh, there's no 0. But we still GPU. No, it's called profile GPU. So we'll say where's why it is so much time affecting. So wow, it's like 94. Scene the scene. Okay, so a lot of lights also. Wow, dark light, unbatched light, studio directional light. So I guess I will get rid of this directional light, right? Takes a lot. The noise. I guess I have to Google this. We'll do that later. But now I'm confused. So I have only one directional light. If I turn this off, what is happening? Nothing, right? Oh, I'm in the run modus. So this is outside, this is black inside. So if I turn it off, nothing is happening, right? This is weird. So what is if I delete it? Because I'm not using, I'm doing only indoor light. Oh, okay. Some outside, okay. So not a lot of things happen. So I guess we should have a better draw call. I save it. Never forget, it's crashing too much and then I forget what I did. But still, let's try this time this one. Okay, still the FPS is not very good. Let's try it again. Profile. GPU. Yeah, I know you might not see a lot of nice things at the moment. And also I have to press the return button. Okay, but I didn't save a lot of draw calls, right? So diffuse indirect post-processing is a lot. So if I get rid of the alpha, I've been told I'm using the Cine camera. So if you use Cine camera, it takes a lot of draw calls. So this is first. I wanted to do this anyway. Cine camera actor. Sorry, I have to close this one. Oh. Where's it? Where's the camera? F. Nope. I want to see the camera. Focusing with the shortcut F. Oh, there it is. Okay, anyway, what I'm going to do is I will add a game camera. And game, where is it? Basic lights. Because we're not doing any movies where it's rendering a lot. Come on, cinematic here. Cine camera. Doesn't matter. Let's call it game. Is it called gameplay camera actor? Nope. This is the cinema. Okay, just in. Let's enter camera. Camera actor. Okay, now you got me. Where can I edit? There's always. So what's the normal gameplay camera? I want to open any. Okay, you see, sometimes I'm also. It was too long ago. Is it called camera actor? Is it? Pilot camera. Ooh. I have no idea why I'm. Because I turned off all the lights. Let's get out. What I want to do is take location, add it to this camera. Paste. Now I want to make the same rotation. Then let's see. If I have paste. Okay, so the cine camera has what kind of field? Field vocal length 25. Let's see. The camera actor is using 90. What is event at 25? This is too close. I guess this is the thing I like. So now let's rename. Let's call it game camera actor. Then I will, we have assigned it in the blueprint class, that this one is getting assigned. So, because I always can set which camera is in a blueprint or on other ones, set with target with blend. This is where you set the blueprint, and if I say create reference to camera actor, because I selected it before, it's now selected. I remove it. I say compile, and of course I will save it, otherwise it's gone when I come back to this. So, but let's do this F. Yeah, okay, I'm kind of in the wrong side. It's okay. So now I'm looking forward. What kind of frame rate I get with the game camera? Yeah. Is it more? Not really, right? Is it because maybe I have to rebuild? Run customer dump unbuilt light interaction. See what is unbuilt. Lighting needs to be rebuilt. Okay, well, as I've changed the project, let's build. Maybe that's the thing. Build light only. What's going to happen? Okay. Swarm agent. It's going to be interesting what's going to come out of here. I did this the other time. It just loses some interactions. Some have to be, how shall I say it, fixed and not be static. Saves a lot of draw calls. SM cables. And light. SM cables. Ref ground table final. Why is it? What is this? Oh. Table final. Okay, there's a build together of kind of, okay, overlapping. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay, but it doesn't look like it's more. So this is, how is it defined? Is it static? It's, let me check. Can change color and intensity, and this one fully backlighting, fastest rendering. Tricky. Okay. Anyway, I'm still surprised why it's not working. Okay. Looks like we have to save everything again. Still doesn't tell me why there is nothing happening. So this is the game instance, which is more or less empty. I just have some variables here, and this is where everything is happening. So PC WAG, game session, game state base, player controller. So the instances were all, it should be in the project settings. This is fixed, right? So otherwise I would have gotten errors. Okay, I'm still taking something. Don't have to think about it now. So it's in maps and modes. Game mode is this. Oh. Okay. Gym WAC. This is the game mode I want. PC WAC is the player control. Default pawn. I don't have to look more into these ones, right? So where do we set the instance? This is something I always forget. Geo instance. Okay, this should be fine. But I think I didn't have for this one the right game mode. So you can override it. What I know and remember in the world, which is not displayed here, window is, where is it? Build tools. Details, outliner. So sometimes you have the world here, and I forgot how to get it to it. Anyway, let's try. I will put get groom, event begin player, and we will have a print string here. So let's see if this hello is going to display it, but sometimes it's more than 2 seconds when I start to play. Let's make it 10, compile. So play hello. Yes, so start, and nothing is spawned. So something I did, this one is not working anymore. Oh man, kind of embarrassing not knowing what it is. So let's first get rid. This is something we don't need anymore. So what is this? Why is it here? Yes, seriously. Why is it always coming up? I'm just saying Windows 11, horrible. Okay, so spawn characters are not working here. Let me try if I can find out. I know I have to check this, where it is, and in saved we have the errors. Where is it? Crashes. So you see so many crashes, but I will delete the other ones. I don't need them anymore. Delete. So let's see if I can get some. I always forget, there must be this one. Alles klar. So let me see what it is. Where is he? So Kogler, I think here he crashes. No skeleton mesh. Oh. I think I know what happened. I re-imported and adjusted. Come on. Character. I deleted a lot of faces which were hidden. So this is why it crashes. Okay, then let's do that first. Then we can go to the other one. Back to the other one. So where did we put it? Blueprints. Characters. Controllers, puppets, Kogler. So yeah, okay. It's missing here. That's why. Definitely that's why. So I re-imported. I created this. Oops, not this one. I want a path. Kogler. Oi! In rigs, I will put the. I'm wondering if I still need two different. Yeah, I think it's because of the animations and the face here. I know the hair has to be recompiled too. Rare is not working, but at least this should save us for the moment. Let's go to the other ones, to the test zone to test out everything. I hope it's not crashing now. Oh, come on. I select the test zone. Or is it crashing? Oh, yes. But FPS is horrible again. I know why. Oh no, he's compiling, and then let's see. This is even more, wow, it's even worse. The last time I did all these statics on this one. This is, I have no idea what I'm doing wrong here. What was it? Which one did I use last time? Was it audit statistics? So this is, wait, this was the wrong one. Wanted to increase this one. And memory usage, which is it? Gee, come on. Was it this one? No. Really? What did he do? Trace? No. Why is he? What? Oh. Santa's head? Really? Oh. At the head of him, triangles 90,000. But that's not what I was looking for. I'm looking for the memory size. Come on, you can do it. Trace, instance, size. It's the size, right? This is what I was looking for. Big one. Wow. Does he want 2 kilobyte? So it's face of Nehama and his body. He's calculating 2 times the same. Why is that? Why would he always do 2 times? Would I reduce it if I only take one part? Is it because the rig is working like that? But the meta-humans are also big. So why do I only have this problem with this FPS? And there's not a lot of things happening in what is this? I don't know. How do they call it? VC. I have no idea what it means. VC. Okay, let's press it again. So is this guy way too big? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have all 6 in currently in the. But also, I thought I reduced this guy. Why is it still so heavy? Yeah, well, let's do the other thing. GPU, always do it fires profile, GPU. And I have the same thing with the camera on this one. I think it's really the render texture I'm doing. And the menu. This is horrible what I'm doing here. Let me try to make play. Wow, takes a long of time. See how slow this particle are rendered. Doesn't mean he's 16 gigabyte of memory he's using. Jesus. Profile. I will try it again. Because I have these 6 guys in the background running at a very nice resolution. I think I have to get rid of this one. This is not working. Definitely. Was a nice idea, but not feasible. But still, this again, there's not so much here. What is this diffuse, indirect, and AO? I have to let me put this on my list. Let's call it check for how can we call it? Not errors, check for optimization. Optimization. So to-do list. I will add diffuse, indirect, and AO. Diffuse, indirect, and AO. And the other one is lumen screen probe gather. Okay. Weird, really weird. But I would suggest I get first rid of these characters because I don't need them. So let me check. Oops, I'm still here. If I can improve, I'm sure I can improve. Don't like that. Why is it always coming up? I have to turn this off. I hate this. Feed widget here. Feed. Nope. 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 Feed is okay. So now I have to find these guys. I put them here. This is the props camera. It's just a different guys and it's just way too heavy. Let's see how long it takes to delete them. Ah, there you go. FPS is going up. But still memory is way too big. Is it a texturing? Let me try. You remember these ones? Because we did, but it's still. See the lag, it should immediately get. Why is it like this? G profile GPU. Always have to press return twice. Oh. Okay. Scene. Process. No. Everything is still. Trace screen scene. Yeah, anyway, it doesn't matter. I will turn off, how can I do that? Render texture materials. Render texture. I just will turn it off in the widget. This was not very optimized. So we get rid of horizontal box, right? Or it can read with compile. We had a lot of render texture. If we go here, I want to get rid of these cubes and the lights. I've put them all here. Oh, they're still there? What? I thought they're... Oh, I didn't delete them. What did I delete before? Look, now it's going up. So that's why I was showing it. But still all these rect lights. Let's get rid of them all. Oh, this was too much. So what was it? Control Shift Alt and you can make a box. Delete. Oh. Undo element. That's funny. I deleted too much, right? Alt. Let's try it this way. And what is this? Nope. Actually, I can delete these rect lights. I can delete, what is it? Cube. These are the cubes. I delete. This is these two backdrops. And what is this? Oh, exponential phi. Bah, you see? Wow. Wow. I think I'm just such a bad. So. Let's instance. No. Why is it still slow? Why is it still slow? Yeah, no, it's horrible. I don't care. Oops. Come on. I'm breaking his back. You see, even if it's supposed to be 0, it's, yeah. But he's not spawning anything anymore. I need to know why it's still like this. GPU, I don't know, profile. Why is it that way? Analyzing is, yeah, sometimes something you have to do. Still seen. This is someone has to tell me, please. If anyone knows, I'm open for all suggestions. And what was the other thing? Audit statistics. So nothing is here, right? The hammer, yeah, bad naming. So what does the statistics tell me? I should be safe, right? But in run mode, is it the hammer? But I need the inner lighting, right? Do we have such strange setups? No. What about project settings? If I look for lumen. Okay. Maybe global tracing, maybe is this better? Looks like, right? I'm not in play mode anymore, right? Still, it should be 50. This is, I wanted to do something else, I thought it's much faster. So if you're spawning more, okay.
Most developers know about sample projects like Lyra and the Valley of the Ancients, but there's one project that is...
Okay. Great. Are we back? Let's see. Oh, we are back. Okay. Or is it a new stream? No idea. No, I should be back. Okay, let's continue. But Yeah, it's okay. So I have to check. So I can quickly Google it, right? So what is lumen? I wrote it down in my Miller notes. Oi, I prefer black. Where was it? Appearance, dark. What could it be? The lumen optimization. Yeah. Come on. Oh, okay. Is this now good or not? Okay. Luminous screen space. Huh. Some. Luminous not screen space. So what does it mean? Do I have to disable it in post-process? How does it look afterwards? Where is it? Is it a difference? Okay. Lumen. Aye. You have to write lumen. Oh. Why? What the heck? If I turn this off. Oh. The final getter. Advanced. Why is it? Did I ever turn it on? Wow. Is it getting better? Oh. You press play. Oh yes. It's definitely better than before. Oh, it didn't adjust. Wait. Let's do 3, guys. It's better, but still not perfect. Bam. Oh yes. I told you I have to adjust the hair. Bam. Okay, still. Profile, GPU. Ooh, now it's 60. What the heck? Because I'm in this node. As soon as it changes to the what am I doing wrong? I guess I have to do this and post it somewhere to see what people are saying. Put it in Milanote, and there we go. We'll do that later. So, but still, I prefer, let's see how we can adjust this still. I want to make just a simple, no real graphic style to see how we can make the counter. Do we have to have one counter, or do we have to want to have a, I guess it's just one counter, and at the end we say how many of each is calculated, and this is something I want to save on the internet for all the time. So let's go to the widget. Let me quickly delete this. This is the game view, and oh, I'm still in the simulation mode. This is the counter. So I want to add another, is it a canvas? Yeah, let's another canvas panel. So below this, yes. Okay. We have the anchor points middle, right? Where can I set it? I thought, stupid here. I want to have it in the middle. This is, we get 0. This is the size and the alignment. I have to scroll in. The alignment, I prefer 0.5 in the middle, right? So the size should be like position. I want the padding. Is this the size? Or maybe a little bit up? I don't know. Let's do 200. And this also 200. So we have a little bit box here. And anchors. Exactly. This is 0. No, this is 0.5. Wait a second. What did I do now? 0, 0, right? No? Was it here? 0.5? And here 0.5, right? Yeah, there we go. 200, 200, but I want to have position. Is it 100 or minus 100? 100. Cool. But in between, I want to have, at the moment, just one counter. I think we have set this one. Timer seconds and... Wait. Okay. There you go. So 200 is not a lot, right? Let's make it 400. Yeah, I know. So if to move in, the half of it is 200. So we give it text. I don't need rich text. Text would be fine. We move it in here. And and we just call this iris timer. This is just count total, right? Total is variable. We compile it, and if I look into the graph, we initialize it. No, we don't actually. That's the same we are going to do here. As soon as one is hit, I'm going to call here, because I don't have to check totally, or someone is listening. It's not getting called so many times. So it's a custom event. We call this also set new count, not countdown, count in that case. I want this also to have an input which will be an integer. We call it input count. Give it a value integer. We can kind of come here, get counter, we set text of this one. This is to text integer. We give it this text here. We set it up here. And we compile it, and we can call it every time one is hit. But I saw something here. We are missing the 0, and I have to listen. Actually, I have to listen if this counter is working or not. Bling. Oh, okay. We haven't changed the text. Huh. We're just getting this one. Ping. I've been told it's too much forced. Okay, end. But the end is something we have set in the game mode, right? And we're stopping with something, we're not 0. Start game. Okay, I want to say show bubble. So I see it start timer. So it will be here. So if it is 0, true, false. This is the end, but we never call here the new counter. I want to do that still, because we have to set it to 0, at least to see kind of high score, whatever we are going to implement at the end. So now we should set 0. We actually we can for sure adjust the color, make it actually yellow before it's going. This is also something we can do here when it's exactly 5. Let's call it, yeah, well, let's do it. No, I closed it. Now here it is. Where is it? Yeah, okay. Move it up here. We close this one. We don't, at the moment, don't need it. So we want this one color. So how do you call it? Set color. Maybe color. Graph. Then we call this one set new color. Oops. And I want to have it set, so add custom event, set new color, set new how say countdown color, huh? No, set new end color, yeah. The input, can we actually I want to see timer sequence, set color and capacity. We make a split structure pin. Do we want to set the color as a variable? Enum. That's when you work with enums, right? You can have two states, and that's when you should be able to do it. But we can do that later, right? Set new end color. We make it yellow. Hey, come on. We'll probably have to set the start color, right? Or we give the color with it and we call it with the color. Yeah. Yes. How? Is there a input for color? Input color, we call it. Is the input code for color? Color, yes. Input color. Then does it work like this? Oh no, it's converting. Converts a color to linear color. Oh, okay. Let me check. Can I break this link? Can I split structure? That's interesting. Red, green. What kind of color is it? Recombine structure pin. Linear color. Do we have linear color? Linear color. Oh, we have. Then let's compile it again. We delete this. We have linear color type. So let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, it's working. Input color. So set. Then we call it rename. We call it set new color. Compile. We call here reference. Set new. Sorry. This is how we are going to do it. Set new color. We do it this way. We do it this way. And here we call it the yellow color, right? So, and at the beginning, I call this one Set new start timer. This widget class blah blah blah. Add a few parts. I want to set it before. Hope this works. And what did we had? White, right? But why was it yellow? Oh my. We just need white. Compile. So let's test it out. Let's do a woman, huh? Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There you go. This FPS is incredible, really incredible. Okay. Just checking if the FPS is changing. But anyway, doesn't matter. Let's go back to the game. Whack. So I have position spawn character. So when do we death of politician? We need a counter. So we need a counter. I think this one we really can't call counter, right? Integer. So, oh, what? Set spawn point inactive? What the heck? Oh. No, actually, what? Active, inactive. I think I just, I think I renamed them wrong. Active and inactive is just the opposite, right? Well, let's think about it another day or time or whatever. No, yeah. So when do I set this one? Now again, it's in a set position to spawn, default position, spawn actor. Last. Anyway, that's when you want to find new ones. Set spawn point active. So it's active means it's in use. So when it's death, it's inactive. But when I hit him, he's not inactive. Which means when do I know it's a hit? Hammer transform, I set spawn point. It's on overlap in the count. I remember. Where was it? Game settings in the clickable component. On mouse clicked on component. on destroy egg. Ooh, why is it looking like this? Ah, I removed that one there. Every time death. Set timer by event. Destroy actor. So he's hit. He calls the event after this, but he's already hit. So I actually can set. I want to set it before. I will call destroy actor. The destroy actor. I need one. I think I added to everyone this one. Get owner, destroy actor, call on death. Where is it called? This is the on delegate on death. Sorry, wow, getting late here, right? Going to continue, right? Let me check. Where is it? Let's try a call on death. I don't have an on death. Start timer. Where's this called? Phew, sorry. You take a break and you forget a lot of things from this project. Set time up event, set countdown. Okay, start time. It is okay. I have to look into this because I'm sure I programmed a lot of these things into these characters here. Anakoga, my friend. Is it this one? No. Handbox. Nope. Nothing here. Was it this one? Check animation? No. Yeah, I know. Animation is not working at the moment. Set timer for check animation. Delay. Play montage. So where is this on death now called? It must be. No, here we don't have it, right? We have it here. Oh. GMDev. Who is calling GMDev? Okay, we have here this find references by name. So spawn actor, create a wind. Oh, where is it? Okay, spawn actor. He's finding the actor. Set. Ah, here, bind it. Yes. I bind it here. So he's calling GM death. This is on click camera. He's positioning the hammer. If he's still there, he might hit. If I'm too slow, he's gone. And the other one is bind on death, which means on death. When was it on death? So when do I call? So I call custom destroy. I call destroy actor. I'm so sorry. I think I will not do it very long, but I'm slowly getting. I'm not such a bad. Gmrec reference, get reference, and we just call it. Yep, we call. We call it event graph. Call add custom event. Oops. Forgot. Add hit counter. I don't need to write it this way. Add hit counter. So there you go. We take the what? Why was it there? Okay, it doesn't matter. And set. And we take counter plus plus increment 1. Oh, that's how you do it. I prefer it because it, but I think it's a CC, so C++, so it should be like microseconds faster than an add. Anyway, we have to set the counter to 0 at the beginning. Event begin play at the viewpoint. Okay, why did I do it that way? Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. No, actually, I have to init call because every time I call, I have to init it again, right? This GM in should I make a function call? Yes, function init counter to 0. So set counter 0. Return at return nodes. I don't know why not a lot of people usually, yeah, okay, doesn't matter. Save all. Wait, I moved down. Straight helps a lot. So, what can we do? Add counter, and when we are done with this, going to finish for today. So, because I have to research this, I don't need this. I want init counter. We need to call init counter. Count, right? It's a function. So who else is going to call it? Start game, huh? Init counter to 0. Okay, compile. So actually I don't need it here. So compile. So let's see. Let's call Mr. Nehammer. Oh, so it's so no one is calling. Forgot to call it. Oh, of course. Then we have to call the widget. Where is it? Game view, get widget, and we call count, set new count. And we call it over there. But we have to call it the first time too. With init. Otherwise, there will be compile. Call. Von der Bellen. What? I think it is brutal. Okay. What who cares? Okay. Okay. Set new count. Why? I'm referencing it. Oh. When start new game, is it move from parent? I think this is start. No. Okay. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. Start timer. Yes. Here we have to edit. So we call set init count to 0. And we have to add this one, right? Correcto. So, but now it should work. At least a 0. Compile. But he's not updating every hit. Okay. Now I screwed it, huh? Error. Jimwig. Oh. Okay. In that case, again, yeah, take this guy again. 0. But does it work? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3, 4. Nothing happening here. Why is that? What am I missing? First of all, I want to add a padding for, I don't want to add this one. Padding for this game view. We go to the designer. This is way too near. We will I must there. Can I have like 20? Nope. That's not the thing I'm looking for. Anchors. I'm not talking about the anchors. I am talking about position 20. Let's do it 40. So this is okay. But the count is not attached. So set new count. Set new count. Set new count. Where is it? Add hit counter. So this is not called. See, add hit counter. We bubble so I can see it all the time. Add hit counter. Where was it? GymTef, right? Nope. Oh, here. Add hit counter. Bam. There you go. Oh. Okay. Now, and yeah, I know. Neyama again. Bam. Okay. It's not working. Why? Why? Oh. Gymweg reference. There's no reference. Why is there no reference? This is a little bit surprising because we should have at this time the reference. Destroy actor. Oh. But where do we set it? Ay, 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 ay. Get, how do you call it? Get game mode. Get it. Okay. Didn't work. Didn't work. Oh. Get GM. So get game mode. And I set this. What? I cast to GM whack. I hope I'm not. Oi. This is not the way it should work, right? Colon dev, destroy the. Get owner, destroy the. Am I stupid? This doesn't exist, right? So, colon death. Colon death. Where did I bind it? Where did I bind it? Call on death. No. How did I call it? Call on death. On death. But that's not the same one. Right? It's the index. Where did I bind it? I'm so... me find this bind. There it is. So spawn actor. On this actor, I bind an event on depth. So the hammer is calling it. I'm so... Yeah. Where is it? The hammer is calling it. Oops. Blueprint hammer. He's calling a clickable component. He's calling destroy actor. So I have to destroy, and he's calling destroy. What the heck? Destroy actor. I am not using this. I add a hit count. I'm adding the hit counter. Okay. Okay. We get an Wonder One. On hit, increase counter. There you go. So we call it call. Target self, call on hit counter. Is fine. In GM wake, I bind. I take this and say bind on hit counter. Bind on hit counter, and I call this GM. Oh. Event. Create event. I will call add hit counter, right? Compile. Ui. Add hint counter. Please, 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 please. So, working with event dispatcher, so I don't have to cast it to anything. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay. Edit this one. I'm safe. Good. I think I will end the stream now, and you always can watch. If you have questions, just put them below in the comments and I will answer you. Good. Cheers.